Welcome to the second part of our Asset Reporting video series. In Asset Reporting Part 1, we introduced the Asset History Sheet. There, we looked at our asset classes and noticed a high outstanding acquisition amount for vehicles. We can see from the Profit Center information that the acquisitions were made by the Shared Services Department. I'd like to get more information, so I right-click the Amount cell and jump to Asset Transactions. This brings me to the Asset Transactions app. All relevant data, such as company code, fiscal year, depreciation area, company code currency, and asset class have been imported correctly from the Asset History Sheet. I removed the Profit Center that's in the filter because I want to see all Profit Centers. And because I want to see the acquisitions, I switched the key figure group to Acquisitions. Along the way, I can select the Help icon to see additional information for some of the fields. Selecting any of the bubbles displays the help for that item. To exit the help, I just select the icon again. I then go, and I get a list grouped by company code and transaction type. I can see that the high outstanding amount came from external acquisitions, and that most of that amount is due to one transaction. Now let's have a closer look at that Asset Transactions table. This table offers many layout options that help me analyze the current issue. I want to identify the profit centers responsible for the unusual acquisition costs, so I open the View settings. I remove the sorting criteria and head over to the Columns tab. I'm interested in the Asset Profit Center. Now I have an unsorted table. Let's drag the Asset Profit Center to the left. I switch to the Chart and Table view for a visual representation of the acquisitions with the highest amount. This isn't exactly the view that I want. Under Settings, I can adapt the chart so that it shows sorted APC amounts by Asset Profit Center. Under the Chart tab, we see that we can choose measures such as APC transaction and dimensions such as asset class. Because I want to see APC by Asset Profit Center, I choose Asset Profit Center as my category dimension and APC transaction as my Axis 1 measure. Then I uncheck all the dimensions that I don't need in my chart. I'd also like to sort the APC transaction amount in descending order so that I can see the highest acquisition amount on the left. In the Sort tab, I choose APC transaction and then descending. Here. Now I can see a graphical display of all profit centers for this asset transactions list, sorted according to their posted APC transaction amounts, with the highest acquisition amount right here on the left. The Shared Services Profit Center clearly has the highest acquisition amount in this reporting period. I can filter data by selecting a graphical element in the chart. I just click the bar of the Shared Services Profit Center in the chart, and the table below details the acquisitions data for this profit center. And there you have it. This is one use case where you might need to tailor a report according to your needs. The Asset Transactions app enables you to create many kinds of reports to show you the information you need the way you want to see it. Why don't you explore the different options and see how it can make your work easier?